5 Best Vacuum for Hardwood Floors and Pet Hair Reviews. Number 1. Bissell Power Edge Bagless Cleaner. Nothing beats the feeling of lying on a clean sofa with your rugs all clean and your floor sparkling clean. With the Bissell Power Edge Bagless Cleaner, you can get all this and more. Here is why. Yes. What a joy. It will take a shorter time to clean your space because of the wide cleaning path that this exemplary machine offers. The machine allows you to clean a width of 11.35 inches with one sweep. This means that cleaning is made easier. The V-shape of the cleaning brush ensures that you can easily clean around furniture legs. No more moving furniture around to get the cleaning done. Number 2. Shark Rocket Dual Clean Bagless Vacuum. The essence of the vacuuming is a deep clean that leaves your space clean, refreshed and possibly allergen-free. That is what Shark Rocket has gone the extra mile to ensure that you get all that. It may seem like a lot of things for one vacuum cleaner to do, but take a look. Believe it or not, this vacuum lights up your way. Literally. This is a cool vacuum, has LED lights attached to the floor nozzle giving you a clear view. This makes the identification of hidden debris easy, ensuring a perfect clean. The vacuum employs the latest technology when it comes to cleaning. The Duo technology features 2 brushes. One bristle brush for a deep cleaning of carpets, and another soft brush roll to pull in larger particles. Number 3. Eureka Muddy Mite Canister Vacuum. Eureka. Here comes your 2-in-1 solution for all your cleaning solutions. What a joy, a cleaner and blower for indoor and outdoor use. This wonderful piece of equipment can be used not only as a vacuum cleaner, but it can be used as a blower. It has a blower port that can be used to blow away debris in outdoor spaces easily. The vacuum machine is portable with a weight of a mere 9 pounds. This makes it amongst the most lightweight vacuum machines. Truly convenient for use. The machine comes with the powerful 10-amp machine that provides maximum suction power for a deep clean. Number 4. Bissell Cleanview Upright Vacuum. Bissell have come a long way in ensuring that your home stays clean and allergen-free. The vacuum comes with an effective cleaning and filtration system. The one-pass technology that the vacuum employs along with the state-of-the-art brush design ensures you get a sparkling clean for your rugs and floors. The vacuum comes with a suction system that ensures that all the dirt is trapped within. It also ensures that the dirt does not mix again with the air. The vacuum employs a multi-level filtration system that captures all allergens. The washable filter ensures that the environment is safe for those with asthma and allergies. Number 5. Shark Rotator Upright Vacuum. Now here comes a vacuum cleaner that is versatile, effective and time-saving. The Shark Rotator is a vacuum worth keeping in your collection. This is one of the more desired functions of all modern vacuum cleaners. The high-efficiency particulate air filter removes all microscopic particles in the air, leaving the atmosphere allergen-free. Now, this vacuum comes with handy accessories that make your work easy. The accessories include a pet power brush, one upholstery tool, straight suction nozzle, dusting brush, tool crevice tool, canister caddy, multi-angle dusting brush, external wand, mini blinds tool, and under appliance wand, a hard floor duster with dust pads and a car detail kit.